Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are in Casciana Terme, in the area of San Termo, and we are looking to a country house in need of restoration with a very nice vineyard of about 1.5 hectares for a total of about 6 hectares of land with a vineyard, fruit trees, arable lands, rushes. There are many kinds of trees and olive trees too, about 40 olive trees. So this is the house, which is about 500 square meter in total, and it is split in several different parts, all in need of restoration. It can be, of course, it has the big potential to be a very nice, huge country house, or of course, you can split it into small studio apartment or bedrooms with bathrooms and run a sort of business. So let's start from the ground floor. On this side, we can see a first sort of kitchen. As said, everything needs restoration. So just this video is just to have an idea of the rooms and of the spaces in the house. Amazing view of the vineyard from here. So the other part is here, which is a unit actually, with the first room, a sort of bedroom here. This was supposed to be the bathroom, so it has nice size. And the other room here, I cannot say bedroom or kitchen or living because these are just rooms now. And still on the ground floor we can see what used to be the stable. So there's this part here which still big restoration needed, with the first floor up there. Okay, so now we can go to see the first floor, which is where the current owners are living. This part has been restored in the 90s, so a lot of years ago. Here they have the big kitchen facing the entrance road from where we arrived. There, very nice. Okay. Over these ceilings there are beams and there are Tuscan ceilings actually. So a sort of living here, me, hi, and the bathroom here. And from here we had the view on the rear side of the house, where there's the other part of the vineyard. Fig, huge fig. Okay, so still on this floor we have the bedrooms currently used. So this is the main one. Another bedroom here. And other two here. So 4 bedrooms on this floor, all needs to be restored, of course. And from here we go to the attic, where I hoped to not be forgotten. So, and this is a big room. Okay. And here still to the front. Okay. Let's go outside.